coming
Say
from...
wrong Foota.
That is coming from Foota, who's still traumatized.
Yeah, Skatta have a reputation for you know.
Go on, you go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, you your star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Welcome Sixers family, my enlightened keepers of ReggaeMedia Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel.
We have all seen what happened at Freedom Street. So Skatta recently did an interview with The Fix where he opened up about his fallout with Popcaan and Chronicler. He held nothing back, and honestly, in my opinion, I'm happy things unfold the way they did. If Skatta had responded to Popcaan and brought up his mother, the VybzKartel Freedom Street concert would have been ruined. That show would have been a disaster. So Skatta admitted he had issues keeping his composure. All I have to say, if Popcaan heard anything about Miss Rona in that heated moment, things would have escalated. So let me know in the comment section if I'm dreaming or you guys feel the same. Alright, so during the interview, The Fix asked Skatta about his fallout with Popcaan, and Skatta explained that he worked tirelessly to organize the Freedom Street show for VybzKartel. He expected a happy new year from Popcaan, but was blindsided by the disrespect when Popcaan told him about his mother. Skatta said that after hearing the insult, he completely zoned out to that level of disrespect. His mother is not doing well in the hospital, and for Popcaan to drag her name in a situation like that, in a moment like that, he could not tolerate it. This is what Skatta had to say.
Popcaan's team put out a statement,
Yes.
and in the statement it said that Cartel approved him bringing his band on set, but you dismissed that for him to rehearse.
Boy, I tell you see, me not like artists, you know. I think beating, you know, I had my work when I show you, and just when me check say you ever reach the finish line or me here, Papi says Skatta, me check say I say Happy New Year, my boss. This big SYM right after that. Me say, what the man said to me, Skatta, the man, this year one of the cleanest mic ever in the history of Jamaica.
What was going through your mind now immediately after you heard that?
Nothing else couldn't run through my mind than this man, this little youth here, this little boy here really tell me for something, mother. Because me catch myself who me is right now. I consider myself as a grown man.
Yeah.
Them youth, they're a little boy for me. Them younger than me, right? I'm a respect, give them respect. Straight across the board. I have never had a 2-minute conversation with Popcaan, ever.
Wow.
Me and Papi is a brethren. Me not know him a VybzKartel, me know. You understand me? Yeah. As I say, I stop produce music for a while. The only time I have tried probably soliciting any work is beyond for some fest for say, yo, book Papi this year now. The negotiations break down, we can't follow through. All right, move on. That is how it's been. So when him really said that now, I get for oversands, I'm reminded of where I'm at. And then my member say, yo, 3 weeks ago, I leave New York. I'm there with my mother for about a week, and every day I'm going to the hospital, I go sit down beside her. Zane, and spend at least 3 hours with her reason and all of them things then. Say, means I'm gonna go through so much. Me I go stand up on that stage and with like 30,000 people that stare upon me. And a little youth just humiliate me so and disrespect my mother way. Me not even know how the future stay where she concerned.
Skatta also shared that he wasn't about to let Popcaan disrespect ruin his birthday or his new year. He admitted that he had to confront Popcaan directly to defend himself. According to Skatta, Popcaan will never admit to what happened between them because Popcaan's public statement denied the altercation. Popcaan claimed no one could deal with him like that without facing repercussions, without being dirt right there and then. Yeah. So this is what Skatta had to say.
Never did I make that my birthday present and my New Year's gift.
Yeah.
Me have to appease myself and take it out on somebody.
So you did get a hold of him.
Huh?
So you did get a hold of him actually. A hold of Papa.
Ask, well, him not got talk.
Yeah, he put out a tweet saying nothing no go so.
Okay, well, I man say, any man, whatever, dead right there. So I'm guessing he's a woman then.
The Fix then asked Skatta whether the feud was personal, possibly over a woman, specifically Aishana. Skatta shut down the rumors. Skatta said he doesn't share women with anyone. Skatta said that argument originated from Foota Hype, who is traumatized and carrying feelings over Aishana. Skatta said Foota Hype needs therapy, which is why Skatta avoids debating with him. Jano, I know Foota hype about to ring so Skatta right now when him get to watch the interview. So this is what Skatta had to say.
So it's not a person because there was rumors that you guys share a woman. So that was.
I don't share no woman with no man, you know.
So it's not a girl. It's not a girl in between. Well,
me. I don't know about. Listen, I don't.
Yeah,
think,
they must say is that woman where you are Popcaan or fuck.
Let me be honest. I don't think where Popcaan is concerned that's the case. I honestly don't. That is coming
say
from
wrong Foota.
That is coming from Foota, who's still traumatized.
Yes, because they have a reputation for real. That's why that theory they come up for real.
No, but
would you tell us if it was?
But I am saying, I can speak on behalf of Popcaan where is that concerned. I don't think he might carry no woman feelings. I honestly don't.
So this is something.
But look where it is coming from. It is coming from the person who is actually carrying a woman feelings. We have all right to. That's why we don't really. That's why we don't really debate with Foota hype when it comes to because him still traumatized.
That was my second question.
Him not get therapy for that all know, you know. He still real from it, you know.
That's crazy.
Listen.
He's reeling from it. And we have to just understand Foota. We have to understand him and just know say, yo, just him that. You understand me? We understand Foota, man. Do your thing, bro.
Yeah. So it's not that. So that's
him
not
can't
true.
help himself.
Okay, that's fine. All right. I just wanted to ask you that. Yeah.
I don't think that is the case with the DJ, and it's definitely not the case with me. You understand me? Like seriously, this bigger than anything. These are the dancehall reggae culture.
So it's not that you don't respect him because it's a case.
I don't respect him now.
Skatta also addressed Chronicler, who had told him to understand himself, and also Joe. Skatta fired back saying that Chronicler doesn't understand himself. The conflict arose when police restricted Popcaan and Chronicler from bringing their full entourage into the artist section at the event. Skatta accused Chronicler of killing the energy at the show, despite claiming he was there to support VybzKartel. So
the disrespect what Chronicler hurled at me and Joe,
yes.
I don't know if the place it me don't know it a come from because me don't know Chronicler. And me and him probably talk 3 times. And it's always been respectful and him always reason back with me respectfully. See? So for him come and I hurl them insults and now it make me wonder why go on with this?
I think it's maybe Popcaan, and I guess him
I
caught
think
up
so.
into Popcaan.
I think so.
Yeah, because
two of
them
them
caught up into
yeah.
it because the videos that I saw, it was Popcaan and
well,
Chronicler.
this when I a little youth, the on a mic, I tell me to understand myself. Me understand myself, while you not understand yourself, you know, because what reason you have now? Me not know you. I honestly don't know Chronicler. So you hurl insult at somebody who you don't know and somebody who don't know you. Or you hate somebody or you praise somebody who don't know you. You know, make no sense. That kind of division there, just find where the source of your resentment come from, brother. Me really want to know. Because if you look upon somebody as a grown man and I tell somebody if you understand themselves, why? Because you want to bring a couple people round a backstage in the national stadium and the police them say, you know, can't come with so much people around here. So. But you say you do this for Vybzkartel. If you do something for Vybzkartel, do it for Vybzkartel, but not come on the stage now and kill the energy.
Yeah.
Because you have a lot of people will love the harsh, aggressive thing, you know. But majority of the energy drop right there. So when them start,
I'm telling you, where I was, there were so many people looking. What's gonna happen?
The energy drop when them come with that negativity. So you can't say you respect Vybzkartel. You do something for Vybzkartel. You celebrate the man freedom, and you're in the venue and you dip on the stage and you look for disrespect the man partners. We put the stage together where you dip on right now. And you got to disrespect somebody because you can't have your own way. That is selfish, it's hypocritical, and it make you the person who know and understand yourself.
So Skatta further commented on Chronicler badman claims and said that a true badman stands on his own, gets fit and maintain his health. Jano, the man that called Chronicler a big fat slobber. Jano, so Skatta said that being a trigger man doesn't make someone a bad man. So this is what Skatta said, and him get dark.
Them something that we Chronicler them dip on stage and say we are bad people and we are this and that. We understand say a dancehall and them love the energy then, but you no wrong still in a youth. It not make you not bad. No care how much, no care who no have or what really not bad. You see, until you can stand up as a man and defend yourself, get fit and get healthy. And stay smart.
No shade.
You're dumb bad. Because a man will thump the life out of you, you lay down flat on the ground looking like a pussy. You're dumb bad. No bad. Cause Chinga finger action may make you bad.
Skatta, that was crazy. That fit and healthy comment was crazy.
On the dumb bad. Like seriously. When I send the wrong, them I create some separation in this little island and I try start civil war and them something there. We understand hardcore faction in the dancehall. Me produce the darkest music in the dancehall and the most the crab upest music.
Yes, you have. But you also did jovial things too.
Okay. But you're not bad. If you need for power 200, you're not bad.
Yeah.
If you can meet me to my face by yourself and talk or you talk and suffer the consequences or inflict, you're not bad. No, not bad. So while it get the dancehall crowd riled up, there's a lot of people who are not fazed by that. I am not fazed by it. So you gotta dip on stage and say, understand yourself, Skatta, understand yourself, Joe. I just see you as a little youth when don't know yourself. But you're a great lyricist or you're a great artist and your vocabulary is very wide. The man can sit down and write a song, 10 songs a day. Good artist.
The therapist for the streets.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
just wish it could have been resolved differently. And I mean,
now, the Fix praised Freedom Street for being an immaculate event and asked Skatta about the turnout. Skatta proudly shared that 40,000 people attended, making it the biggest show he has ever seen. And it's one of the biggest shows I've ever seen, right? Skatta said that it wasn't just about the attendees, but also the level of production behind the show, and that is facts. This was the first time we have ever seen a show in Jamaican history, in dancehall, put this level of production behind it. Skatta said that Freedom Street was 100% success, and it stands as one of the biggest event or the biggest event in dancehall history, hands down. Isn't me? Mic drop.
We say we don't do a little review of it. Why we have
Yes.
we have to give props where props is due. The production, the stage setup, absolutely immaculate.
I think we achieved that. I mean, when I stood at the top of the grandstand and I looked down and I'm saying, wow, this look like the Super Bowl. Yeah,
even the entrance.
As you talk about that, let's talk about the numbers, because there's conversations, going on about, was it really ram and was it really full and these things. From your knowledge, how many people would you say were in the stadium?
You know that we don't have the full head count yet. If you want me to make an assumption, I can. I think we clocked close to 40,000.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's what I would
because
say.
when you sat here before Freedom Street, you were saying that you wanted it to be 50K. And I was like, nah, it's not 50K. But if it wasn't the feel or whatever, you would have had a full
I think it's close to
stadium.
40,000 because
the numbers that turned out, would you say it's the biggest show you've
well,
seen in dancehall history?
I like to leave it for the people to say. As far as I'm concerned, it's the biggest project I have ever undertaken.
Yeah.
And I am extremely proud of the outcome. And for what I can say to myself, it's the biggest thing that I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Not in terms of attendances, but the production overall. It's a huge investment.
Yeah.
A lot of imported stuff and personnel, technical aspect of it's just crazy. You wouldn't believe the levels that this company went to make this happen.
So you deem it as a success?
100%, yes.